dogs.
Oh, yeah, he's right.
I indeed remember now.
Yeah, he's right.
Yeah, this wouldn't have happened if you just bought regular hot dogs.
That's for sure.
That is,
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 For sure.
that is true.
No, but I don't know what happened.